In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Inkscape. First, start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a moment to load the workspace, which includes your canvas in the center and toolbars around it. Once you're in, either open an existing document if you already have text prepared, or create a new one so you can start fresh. A blank page is perfect for practicing this technique. Next, select your text. If your text is already on the canvas, use the Select tool to click it. If you still need to add text, grab the Text tool, click on the canvas, type your words, and then switch back to the Select tool to highlight the entire text object. Before moving on, here's an important tip. The next step converts your live text into vector shapes, which means you won't be able to edit the wording or font later. If you think you might want to change the text, duplicate it first so you have a backup. With your text selected, go to the Path menu at the top. Choose Object to Path. This turns each letter into editable vector paths while keeping them grouped together. Visually, nothing changes yet, but your text is now ready to be shaped. Now, open the Path Effects panel. You can do this by clicking the Path tab in the right side panels. If you don't see it, the Path Effects option is also available from the Path menu. This panel is where you'll add the effect that bends your text. Inside the Path Effects panel, click Path Effects to make sure you're in the right place. Then click the down arrow icon to add a new effect and search for Bend. Select Bend from the list. As soon as you add it, you'll be able to edit the bending path directly on the canvas. Click the Edit on Canvas icon, which looks like a small node tool, and you'll see a green line appear across your text. This green line is the control path for the bend. Drag it to curve the text upward or downward. You can click and drag points along the green line to change the arc, and pull the handles to fine-tune the smoothness of the curve. Subtle movements go a long way, so adjust gradually until the lettering follows the exact curve you want. If things get too extreme, simply pull the line back toward a straight position to reduce the bend. When you're happy with the shape, that's it. Your text is curved. You've converted the text to paths, opened the Path Effects panel, added the bend effect, and shaped it directly on the canvas with the green control line.